Hello everybody, Jeff with the Green Review. Today we're going to be fixing up the utility side of the house. This is the side with the irrigation boxes, the electric meter, the gas, the air conditioner, the fire escape windows from the basement. All these things are cluttered in this side of the house, and they make it difficult to mow because there's grass on both sides. It's just really a problem spot. So we're going to clean up this little grassy area, put in some of the preen bark mulch that will keep the weeds from growing, and then eventually we'll be putting some perennials in this area and maybe some annuals. Because this is an area that nobody sees, we can take the flowers off of those perennials and annuals, take them inside and put them in a vase. So we're not changing our landscape, but we can make this a lower maintenance area and a beautiful thing for inside the house without causing much of a change in the landscape. So this will be a really quick and easy project. We're going to scrape the grass off and put the mulch in, and that's all we have to do. And we can make it lower maintenance and a little more pretty for the people who can see it. Well, as you can see, that's a quick and easy project. Makes this area look a little nicer and makes it low maintenance. And if you want to, you can spread this out a little bit farther, plant some perennials and annuals over here, take them in the house. So it's a really great project. Now I know there's some people who don't want to have bark mulch up against the house, but you can see we've got a good 5 or 6 inches of space between the top of the bark mulch and the bottom of the siding, which happens to not be wood anyway. But if there is going to be a location where there might be termites or carpenter ants or something like that, you do want to leave the mulch down low where you can see any movement or activities along the side on the concrete foundation. So we've done that, we've taken care of it, and we've made a great little project. And I appreciate your watching, and this has been a Green Review.